Welcome back to 2M2X, bite-sized videos on innovation and transformation sponsored by Informulate. When we use the word disruption, what does it mean? It means that incumbents are falling behind. Outside of the trillion-dollar tech behemoths that have strong innovation strategies combining internal and external innovation, other enterprise organizations are really struggling to keep up with nimble startups that are out-innovating them at every turn. How? One of the reasons is startups do things that don't scale, especially in the beginning. Ever heard of how Airbnb founders manually visited hosts' homes, taking professional photos themselves? Not scalable, right? But it was this hands-on approach that helped them empathize with their users and perfect their product. Y Combinator's Paul Graham famously wrote that in the early stages, startups need to focus on solving problems. Even if it's not scalable, they should focus on product market fit. Add to this enterprise tendency to be very risk-averse with security, legal, approval hierarchies, employees with conflicting priorities, and it's easy to see why there's a problem. So, how can enterprises break free from this cycle? By embracing a leaner, more experimental mindset. Here's how. First, start small. Don't try to build a solution for millions of users on day one. Build it for the first 100 users. 2, test and iterate. Get feedback early, make adjustments, and then think about scaling. 3, embrace simplicity. Avoid overcomplicating your systems or processes before you've validated that your idea is needed. Startups win because they move fast and keep it simple. Enterprises can do the same if they're willing to rethink how they approach scale. Also, if you like what you see, subscribe to our 2M2X newsletter, and please share this with a friend who might benefit. And I will see you next week.